In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close half position in Ctrader. If you want to lock in profits or reduce risk without exiting completely, a partial close is the way to go, and it takes just a few clicks. Start by opening Ctrader on your desktop or in your browser, and make sure you're logged into the correct trading account. It's a good idea to confirm whether you're on a live or demo account before you proceed. Once Ctrader is open, go to the trade area and open the positions view. This panel lists every open trade, showing the symbol, direction, volume, and current profit or loss, so you can clearly see what you're managing. Find the specific position you want to reduce. Double check the instrument and the volume to avoid closing the wrong trade, especially if you have several open on the same symbol. If needed, sort or filter to make it easier to spot. When you've located it, click the small gear icon next to that position and choose Close Position. This opens the close dialog where you control exactly how much of the trade you want to exit. Avoid clicking the Quick Close button if you see one, because that typically closes the entire position. In the volume or quantity field, enter 50% of the original size. For example, if your position is 1 point lot, type 0.50. If it's 10,000 units, enter 5,000. Some brokers display a percentage slider. Drag it to 50% if available. Keep in mind that minimum lot increments apply, so if your broker doesn't allow certain fractional sizes, choose the closest permitted value that equals half. The price displayed is the current market price, and execution is subject to spread and potential slippage, so the final fill may vary slightly. With the amount set to half, click Close to send the partial close order. Ctrader will execute that portion at market and leave the remaining half open. You should see a confirmation and your position's volume will update to the new, smaller size. Any linked stop loss or take profit typically remains attached to the remaining position, but review them to ensure they still match your risk plan after the size change. Finally, glance at your trade watch and history to verify the partial close, the realized profit or loss for the closed half, and the updated margin and exposure. That's all there is to it. Quick, precise, and ideal for scaling out while keeping the trade alive.